MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo. Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to,
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo. Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng
PBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Junior and PBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
PBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
Dito pa rin tayo sa Divine Light Academy in Las Piñas City for the continued coverage of Manny Pacquiao's Junior and PBL Season 4, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Game number 5 na nga natin, scheduled for 9, match at hand. Will be Palawan Urich Builder kontra dito sa Quezon Junior Huskers in the 16 and under division. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Jano Campo, kasama ko pa rin si Coach Carmelo Navarro and CJ Ang as our courtside reporter. Coach, game number 5 na natin. What can we say about the previous game of Quezon?
Well, itong ang Quezon coming off a huge loss against Binyan Tatakjel. And in that ball game, they gave up 17 turnovers. Right? And it led to 20 turnover points. That has been the story of that game. All about taking care of the basketball para dito sa panig ng Quezon.
Pero syempre, as we all know, itong Palawan nga, no, this will be their first game here in Season 4 and yung Quezon nga, 0-1 na. Now, we are about to find out kung sino nga ba ang mag-uwi ng unang pagkapanalo as we take a quick look at the third season's averages of Palawan.
An interesting number here. They're the first in 3-point percentage talking about itong Palawan, and that's something that they want to continue dito sa ating Season 4. And if you take a look at the points production, 70.1 ang kanilang naitatala para nga dito sa Palawan. It's gonna be another season, a fresh start para sa kanila.
O syempre, hindi na natin ito pagtatagalin pa. Bigyan natin ito kay Gio Cruz para sa starting lineup.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Manny Pacquiao's Junior and PBL Season 4. Ang Liga ng Bawat Batang Pilipino. 16 other division featuring Palawan Urich Builders and the Quezon Junior Huskers here at Divine Light Academy, Las Piñas City. Here are the starters. First, for Palawan Urich Builders. Starting guard number 14, Ross Pelaez. To guard number 3, Miguel Del Monte. At forward number 1, Joshua Guanzon. Other forward number 29, Dimwell Tevez. And at center number 88, Sam Villarreal. The head coach is CJ Tapacio. His assistants are Jesper Cuevas, Joe Cuevas, Joseph Sabater. Team manager Mark Mariano. Team consultant Joe Tevez. And team owner Red Gold. And now let us meet the starters for the Quezon Junior Huskers. Starting guard number 13, Cedric Aguila. To guard number 14, Earl Clarito. At forward number 6, Tyler Villanueva. Other forward number 91, Marcus De La Paz. And at center number 29, Joseph Flores. The head coach of the Quezon Junior Huskers is Mark Pangilinan. Assisted by Jericho Santos, Peter Segudo, Carl Bancoro, Nathan Benjamin, and Chris Peñafiel. Team manager, attorney Don Capunan. Team owners, Honorable Governor Dr. Helenton. at owner.
So, alright, team starters muna tayo before the tip-off. We got Guanzon, Del Monte, Pelaez, Teves, and Villaruel for Palawan. Sa Quezon naman, we have Villanueva, Aguila, Clarito, Flores, and De La Paz. Once again, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Jan Ocampo, kasama ko si Coach Melo Navarro and CJ Ang para sa pagkumpleto ng aming panel today. Game number 5 scheduled for 9. Here we go, and we are underway for the 16 and under division. Game number 5 natin today, Coach Melo.
An exciting game that we have right here, no? Itong ang Quezon against Palawan.
Well, Clarito with an early pull-up for 3. Way too short, pero yun na nga. Jumper or the floater is good para dito kay Flores.
Second serving, working well para kay that's Gister Flores.
As we mentioned during the pregame, this is Palawan's first game, so they're looking to score. Yun nga, there will be a foul in that last play, pero itong Quezon, nakapagtala sila ng unang pagkatalo in their last outing. Medyo malaki-laki ang kanilang naging pagkatalo doon, and right now, this is their game number 2, looking to tie things up at 1-1 standing, giving Palawan their first loss in case they bag the victory today. Oh, great stop. Quezon, black shirts, and look at that floater. Go para dito kay Aguila.
Nice shot para kay Aguila using the board that time.
Palawan naman pupukol ng 3. Mintes. Quezon,
Sakit yun.
Medyo ako yung napainda dun sa
Oo.
tuhod eh.
He was unaware that someone was streaking behind him. Yun pa naman yung masakit doon, yung mabibigla ka eh.
Oo. Hindi mo expected yung magiging fall mo, pero ito na. Quezon na naman ang susubok pumuntos. De La Paz. Ask for that support. Balik sa kanya ang bola. Looking for that opening. Nakakuha yan ng Palawan. Nilipat pa, kaso nga lang nakuha ng Quezon. Pabalik ang bola. Little bump in the finish, pero hindi siya makakakuha ng basket and 1. Nevertheless, taking a trip to the free throw line is Cedric Aguila.
Joshua Ganzon couldn't control his momentum. Foul nga niya itong si Cedric Aguila.
Gets the first free throw in. So see Coach CJ Topacio shown on our screen for Palawan 16 and under last season. I believe, yeah, he was with the 18 and under as well. Pero yun nga, 2 for 2 at the line. CJ Aguila giving them a 6-0 run early in this first quarter kontra Palawan. Palawan yet to find that opening to get the first few points. Mabilis lumipas ang oras. 6 seconds na lang on the shot clock. Reverse layup will go in para dito kay number 3, Del Monte.
First basket para dito sa parig ng Palawan. Del Monte giving them that.
Quezon, great steal there by Palawan. Del Monte pa rin. Kicks it out. Atake on that baseline and gets it in para dito kay Roz Pelaez.
Roz Pelaez with that beautiful move. Pagkakataon naman para sa Palawan dito na mag-pressure defense.
Yes. Pero Quezon, kick out to that left corner. Clarito, mintes tayo dyan. Palawan ulit. Scoring 4 points, only down by 2 points.
Oh, a lot of contact right there.
Sa kanila pa rin ang bola. Has to kick it out to Pelaez but was not able to pass. Scrambling for ball possession. Keeps the ball alive. Tungke Quezon drives straight to the basket and gets it in. This time it will be Gister Flores.
Mr. Flores deciding to take matters into his own hands. Nagkagulo sa kabila kaya sabi niya kailangan ng konting stability in their offense.
Just like that, 8-4 ang ating score. Lamang ng 4 dito ang Quezon and bola nila muli. After that turnover committed by Palawan. another chance to score. Driving through traffic and gets the basket. This time, Tyler Villanueva naman. 6:14 remaining in the first quarter. Lamang ng 6 mga Quezon. Palawan ang naghahabol. Bawasan natin yan ng 2. Sabi nito ni Ros Pelaez.
Ros Pelaez. Siya ngayon ang pupuntos dito.
Oh, great fake. Basket and 1. Look at that. Once again, Flores making his name known here in first quarter.
Napangiti na lang siya. Alam niya na naisahan niya yung defender niya. Take a look at this. Kinindatan, tinapos ang tira.
Pound for pound fitness foul, counted play. Ito kay Gister Flores. Natuwa siya na sobra doon sa last play na yun. Kalakalahati ang kalamangan, 12-6. Won't be able to complete it. Pelaez naman magbaba ng bola. A lot of ball movement for the white shirts. Palawan stepping through and gets it in. Itong si Pelaez.
6 points para kay Pelaez. Very active here in this game.
Yeah, turnover para dito sa Quezon after that pass will not work.
And involved that time was Pelaez, no? Siya yung nag-bother dun sa long pass na yun.
Almost halfway through the first quarter and we are at a 12-8 score in favor of Quezon. Bola ng Palawan, sila ang aatake ngayon. Pelaez finding that opening. Yun nga lang eh. Napalakas ang tira. Scrambling for the ball possession once again. Balikan natin kung saan mapupunta ang bola.
Bench of Palawan asking for travel there. At mukhang mawawarningan sila dito.
Familiar kaya ata sa ganun, coach, yung mga nawawire. Pero na nga, as you mentioned, coach, for improper bench decorum, na-warningan na ang bench ng Palawan.
Naman minsan yung mga head coaches, naglalambing din yan.
Oo. Siyempre in the heat of the game, mga kasama lang din yan. But this time, kesa naman ang atake, yun nga lang, hindi nag-work yung pasa na yun. From below, and Palawan looking to capitalize on that turnover. Try to swing it up and down, pero hindi yan gagana this time. Balik sa Quezon ang bola.
Substitutions on the floor.
12-8 pa rin. Lamang ng 4 dito. Ang Quezon, Clarito. Umatake kaagad, pero 2 white shirts ang nakadepensa.
Couldn't finish there. That was a good press break para sa Quezon.
Pelaez to Del Monte. Gets that 3 para dito kay Del Monte.
Second 3-pointer for Palawan, courtesy of Del Monte.
Oh! Once again, who is that? Gister Flores for the basket and 1.
Coaches always say that you should not give up end one opportunities. Medyo touch foul yung nangyari dito. Take a look at this.
That becomes our pound for pound fitness foul counted play. At yun nga. Itong si number 58, si Cara de Ocampo. Kaya pala parang magkamukha. I think kapatid niya si or pinsan si De Ocampo kanina sa Las Piñas.
Oo, pwede.
Kamukha eh. And the perpetual squad itong Palawan if I'm not mistaken. So there's a possibility. Pero yun na nga. Possibility of a score. Buhay pa rin para sa Palawan. Teves, ilalapit ng konti. Jumper, short.
Pinagawa ng candy sa ibabaw.
Oh.
That was Sam Villaruel. Hindi enough na i-box out mo. No? Kailangan talaga ma-push out mo siya palayo sa shaded area.
Kasi kung titingnan natin, visually, siya ang isa sa biggest on the floor right now as well as De Ocampo. So a lot of big guys for Palawan. You gotta let that ball go. Villaruel, syempre, Anong tawag dito? Mismatch.
Oo. Buti walang jump ball, no?
Oo. Actually, may whistle naman na kasi doon eh. Ayaw pa lang nila bitawan yung bola. Medyo,
Ayaw pakawalan eh.
mainit ang simula. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Nauubos na ang oras ng Palawan. Post up. Kapos. Oh, great swat by De Ocampo. Kukunin yan ni Romantico. Pasa pero in and out lang.
Sorry, miss. Napailing na lang yung bench ng Palawan doon.
Sorry, miss talaga. Pero ito naman si Sagil. Attempted a left corner 3 pero hindi yan papasok. (15-11) ang ating score with 3:05 in the first quarter. Quezon lamang pa rin ang 4. Bola ngayon ng Palawan.
Oh, this is gonna be a technical foul here. I think dahil sa uniform.
Oo, yun na nga ang sinabi ni Gio, ang ating game announcer. So, medyo hindi naging aware sa pagpasok. Hindi mo kasi pwedeng i-tuck in as you enter. Kailangan bago pumasok naka-tuck in na. However, ito naman si Casey De Los Reyes, nag-mintis sa technical free throw na yun. So, nakahinga-hinga itong Palawan. Pero yun na nga, may infraction na siya ng technical doon. Well, there was a bump on that last play care of Aguila of Quezon. Pero Palawan pa rin ang bola.
But for playing defense, discourage na ngayon yung ibabump mo eh. Because normally it results to a foul. Ang gusto mangyari ng coaches, beat him to the spot.
Found a cross, post up for 3, bang! Another 3 for Palawan, but this time it's Cameron Fallis.
Big 3 para dito sa Palawan, cutting the lead down to 1 rather.
Isa na lang ang lamang dito ng Quezon. Pumeke sa 3. Pumasok. Shot too strong, pero yun nga, may foul on that last play.
Ganda ng lusot doon, itong si Cedric Aguila.
Aguila at the line. Shooting for 2. First free throw is in. Angat ulit sila ng 2. May isa pa siyang free throw dito. 2 for 2. At the line, Cedric Aguila. As you can see, our supporters on our venue. Free admission ito, by the way, guys. If you're in Las Piñas or near Divine Light Academy, you can drop by and watch this in person to see that action. And as we speak, Kiefer Peñaranda scores that left-handed finish.
Gandang finish para dito kay Peñaranda. Great control up in the air for him.
Keeping this ball game close. Isa lang ang lamang ulit ng Quezon. Nayangat na nilang 3. Peñaranda scores. Balik ulit sa isang lamang ng Quezon. Walang mapasahan. There you have it. Looking for that opening. Mahaba-haba pang oras on the shot clock. Kicks it out. Sagil. Ayun na nga. Hesitated on the 3-point line pero pumasok.
A travel para dito kay Sagil. He wasn't sure of what he was gonna do eh. Pagsalo niya ng bola.
Therefore, turning the ball over to Palawan. Now looking to take the lead. And there it is. 18-17. First time makalamang dito ng Palawan, care of Cruz.
Quickly forwarding that basketball was Palawan. Pero ito sasagot on the other end.
What a show. Coming from this player, itong si Cedric Aguila once again. Let's take a look at our pound-for-pound fitness. Foul counted play.
Spin cycle move para dito kay Cedric Aguila. At mawawarningan na nga itong Palawan. They're claiming na wala raw silang natamaan doon.
Oo. Kaso ang daming white shirts na nadaanan ni Cedric Aguila. And right now, Cedric Aguila completes the 3-point play. Kuhan ulit na lang lamang. Oh! Sa kabilang panig. We got Peñaranda with a basket and 1. Tabla tayo sa 20. Looking to break the tie during his bonus. Tingnan natin ulit ito.
This is
Our
the,
Pound for Pound Fitness foul count to play.
look at that. This is the perfect way bumawi, no? From a foul on the defensive end. Itong si Peñaranda getting an end one opportunity of his own.
Ayun. 3-point play din ang sagot ng Palawan. Lamang na ng isa ang Palawan dito. Hindi napansin ang gitnang linya.
You cannot do that.
Medyo dun siya nagtsatsa.
Oo, kasi hindi pa pwedeng ang tatalon ka from the backcourt tapos i-receive mo eh. On the front, so natawagan ng backcourt violation.
Hindi pa nakaset yung paa niya kasi dun sa
Oo.
kabilang side.
From the front court to the backcourt rather.
Oh.
Kapos doon.
Oh! Reverse layup, big boy moves coming from Ace Cruz.
Kung ako yung tumira, sabihin ko, good pass eh.
Romantiko. Lamang na dito ng tatlong Palawan. Layup is in para kay Fallis. At mapapatawag ng timeout dyan ang Quezon Junior Huskers to talk things over.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
45 seconds remaining. 25-20 as we take a look at this once again. Coach Melo, what do we see here?
That was the last play mula dito kay Romantico. Sabi nga na, sharing is caring. Giving that assist to his teammate.
And Fallis takes it to the rim and scores. Pero ngayon bola ng Quezon, and just like that, sila naman na naghahabol ng 5 puntos. They're down by 5, 25-20 in favor of Palawan tayo ngayon. Quezon looking to find that sweet spot. Decides to stop and pop, pull-up jumper. Wala. Palawan naman. To Fallis. Fallis jumps, shot too strong, offensive rebound. Second chance, wala pa rin. Javier secures the defensive rebound. De Los Reyes turns around, finds Flores. Pulls up for 3, air ball.
Probably not the shot that they wanted. Talking about tong Quezon.
Romantico. Fallis with 1 second remaining, turns around. Oh! Akala ko papasok na yun. Unfortunately, tumama lang sa kanto ng board, and that's the end of our first quarter, 25-20 in favor of Palawan Urich Builders.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod.
Entering the second quarter, 25-20. Lamang na dito ng 5, just like that ang Palawan. But for now, CJ Ang, what do we have?
Thank you, John. According to Coach Mark Pangilinan, he said that he is not expecting anything from this team. They just want to represent Quezon the right way and for the homegrown players to be exposed here in the league. Coach said that if they lose, it's okay. If they win, better. He expects Flores, Villanueva, De La Paz, Javier, Clarito, De Los Reyes, Marco, and De Los Santos, who is currently out of the country now. These players will be the rock of the team and hopefully bring them unexpected wins. Turning it back to you, gentlemen.
Thank you so much, CJ. Pero sa pagbubukas, ng ating second quarter. Nakapukol dyan ng 3 itong si 17 ng Quezon. Pero may sagot naman kaagad dyan.
Sam Villaruel answering back. Pero maganda nga yung sinabi niya ni Coach Mark, ano? Taking away all the pressure sa players niya.
Oo.
Diba? It's just about playing, enjoying the moment, and competing.
And representing Quezon well.
Oo. And representing Quezon well is that big guy. Itong si Jester Flores.
Flores, a familiar name here in this ball game. Making his name heard. Oh, what a shot! Jimuel Cleo Teves knocks down that 3.
High arcing three-pointer from Teves. Ganda ng release.
Nothing but net on that other end. Quezon looking to respond. Oh, pumeke sa 3. Walang kumagat. Drops it off. Napalakas lang ang tira doon ni Flores.
Great find. Just couldn't make it.
Oh, from the other end. Nakapuntos naman dito si Jeremy Justo rather.
Jeremy Justo adding to the point production itong Palawan. Oh, three-pointer. Wala kay Casey De Los Reyes, cutting the lead down to 4.
Palitan ng 3. Oh, that bump won't work. Actually, napasama pa. Kuha yan ng Quezon ng bola. Fast break points para naman dito. And number 20, kay Shaheen Algawi. Number 26.
Pushing the pace that time around was Quezon. 2 na lang ang kanilang inahabol dito.
Make it 4, sabi ni number 34, si Kevin Castro.
Good short passes right there para sa Palawan.
Oh, run and gun action, coach, ang nakikita natin dito. And this time si Javier naman para sa Quezon.
Javier, naghahanap pa ng mababangga dun eh.
Mas gusto na may extra points and the extra bump. Del Monte. Balik sa kanya, bola, setting things up. With 5 seconds on the shot clock, pulls up for 3. Air ball tayo dyan. That was Justo on that last attempt.
Talagang hiningi niya yung bola na yun eh. Just that, medyo kinapos yung tira niya.
Na-heat check siya dun.
Oo.
Medyo hindi pa ganun ka-consistent. Kailangan pa sumubok na paulit-ulit. And as we can see here, Paikana. Oh, stepping through. It gets the finish. Look at that.
Gandang galaw naman nun.
Shaheen Algawi. Quick steal. Bounces it off. Oh!
Oh! Not in my house.
Huge block by Torres. The white shirt Torres.
Torres.
Nakasagot naman Villaruel sa kabila. O Torres rather.
Yeah, that was Torres going for that layup. Working on both ends of the floor. Napalakas naman yung pasa doon. Papunta sa ating...
Tortillos. Muntik tinamaan. Coach, high scoring
dapat
na tayo.
maubos na yan eh. Hindi na matamaan yan eh.
Palawan lamang pa rin dito ng dalawa, Coach Melo. 36-34. Halos 4 minutes na nakalipas sa second quarter natin. Bola ng Palawan.
Palawan calling this 2-down play.
Teves pulls up and gets it in.
Yun naman pala yung 2-down na yun. That's Teves going for that jumper.
Oh, active hands by the white shirts. Bola muli ng Palawan. Bump but no finish. Oh,
foul.
Nakasundot na sobra dyan si Teves.
Oo. He was there to try and stop that fast break attack pero natawagan siya.
As we can see here, no, apat na naman ang hinahabol. Itong panig ng Quezon. Right now, sila naman ang aatake. There will be a whistle on that last play. We'll have a player to shoot for 2 free throws. Sia Shaheen. Great timing. Medyo kinapos pa dun si Shaheen. Pero syempre, may isa pa siya.
In the absence of drums, no?
Oo.
Ginamitan ng sigaw. And they were successful. 2 missed free throws para dito sa Quezon.
Sabi mo nga, coach, whatever works, works.
Oo naman.
But this time, para sa ano? Para naman sa tawag dito, sa mintis na free throw.
Oo, naipamigay ang bola doon. Muntik na. Quezon struggling to get control of that basketball in that last possession.
Still at 38-34 ang score natin. Almost halfway through this second quarter. Apat pa din ang hinahabol dito ng Quezon after magpalitan ng puntos kanina. Now De La Paz setting it up. Trying to penetrate the defense. Huli yan ni Torres. Falis, nagmamadali. Trying to be unselfish on that last play. Kaso nga lang nauna na ang mga defenders na sa side na yun. At dahil dyan napatawag ng timeout ang Palawan Urich Builders, balik tayo in a few.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat bata.
From tip-up to the final buzzer, every moment counts and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. Under 5 minutes remaining in our second quarter and lamang pa rin dito ng apat ang Palawan and bola nila. After that timeout, we would like to see kung ano nga ba ang play na isinet para sa kanila ni Coach CJ.
It's gonna be a baseline inbound play. I'm not gonna be surprised kung kay Torres ang punta nito.
Oo. Not the biggest so far for Palawan, I think. Looking for that opening. Kailangan na. Great defense from the black shirts. Pero yun na nga. Mahaba-haba pa ang oras sila on the shot clock. Saga, pasok dito sa aksyon. That three-pointer will go in. What do you call that, coach? A lucky bounce. 3 para dito. Kaya, Teves.
Shooter's bounce. Ang ganda nung arc nung tira na yun eh.
Shooter's bounce. Napaganda pa. 7-point lead para sa Palawan. Ngayon, bola na naman nila. Ball stolen. Nagmamadali na dito ang Quezon. Drops it off and look at that control para dito. Kaya Paikana.
Sinigurado na, tipay ka na may shoot niya yung bola na yun.
Saga taking control of the leather. Gives to Teves. Back to Saga. Now to that left corner. Nakalusot dyan si Torres.
That's the advantage we're talking about. Itong si Torres, an inside operator para dito sa panig ng Palawan.
Yep. And just like that, 7 points na rin ang kalamangan. Pumeke. Inisahan doon si Torres. Yun nga lang hindi niya nakakuha yung basket and 1. Pero 2 free throws naman and 1 foul sa pangalan ni Torres.
Torres ngayon talking to our officials, asking paano naging foul doon, ref? And of course, part of officiating is educating the players. Kaya naman ang ating officials ay teaching him kung paano ba yung tamang paraan ng pagdepensa.
Of course, para hindi nila maulit yung same mistakes.
Oo.
Kasi marami pa daw pagkakamali dyan eh. Yun na lang yung subukan nila.
Kaya nga.
43-36. Or make it 37. Oh, sabay ang pagbigkas pero hindi yan ininda ni Astino Santos getting 2 free throws in.
7-point lead para dito sa Palawan. Correction, it's already down to 5.
Yeah, after the 2 free throws.
Oo.
43-38, pero syempre Palawan pa rin ang lamang dito. Oh! Great anticipation there. Pero mananatili sa Palawan ang bola. Five seconds on the shot clock. Teves, not aware of the time. Ubos na ang oras.
Held on too long with that basketball itong si Teves.
3 minutes, 7 seconds in our second quarter. Dahil nga ma-action tayo dito, mabilis na lumilipas ang oras. Hindi natin namamalaya na patapos na halos ang second quarter. And nakalamang dyan ang Palawan. Quezon almost loses the ball. Ooh!
Could not take care of that ball after the contact was Quezon. Pero ito ring Palawan, itatapon ng bola.
A lucky break for Palawan. Quezon. After that error in the passing lane, mababalik sa kanila ang bola. Under 3 minutes remaining na nga tayo dito sa second quarter natin. Bola ng Quezon, plenty of time. Nakatapik pa dyan ni Teves. Kaso hindi nga nagkaroon ng conversion on that last ball possession. Saga drops it off for a better angle, and better angle indeed para kay Ace Cruz.
It all started with that hesitation move mula kay Saga and they get a steal and a basket. 4 straight points para dito sa Palawan.
Look at that. Increasing the lead to 9. Their biggest lead so far in this ball game. From end to end, offense to defense, nagkakaingay dito ang fans ng Palawan.
Getting the ball up top, that deserves a second look. This was the drive. And look at that.
Halos kunin sa ere.
Joshua Guanzon denying that shot.
Mintes ang tira doon. Saga. Outlet pass to Guanzon.
Defense to offense para dito kay Joshua Guanzon. After blocking that shot, this time around, siya naman ang pupuntos. We have a timeout on the floor.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugot, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
After that short break, 11 na. Anay talang kalamangan dito ng Palawan as we take a look at our replay. Tingnan natin, outlet pass to the fast break finish. Isang dribble lang ang kailangan for Guanzon. And gets the basket.
The big guy able to put the ball on the floor, showing us that he has that control despite 2 defenders in front of him.
Mukhang mismatch or outnumbered siya dun sa atake na yun, pero mismatch naman sila when it comes to his size. And I believe yung 18 under na nasa taas, sumusuporta mga kuya dito sa 16 and under. And look at that! All hyped up dito si Teves.
Sabi ni Teves, mag-enjoy muna kayo dyan dahil mamaya
Kayo naman nasasala.
kayo naman ang sasabak.
Whistle on that last play. Taking a look at our score, 51-38. 13 huge points na bigla na naitala dito ng Palawan. And this is their first outing in the 16 and under division. Itong ang Quezon Junior Huskers. Nagkaroon sila ng 15 huge points sa pagkatalo in their last game, giving them a 0-1 standing.
Slowly trying to pull away itong Palawan.
Nakapuntos ng isa. Saga. Gives it to Tevez. Hanap ng opening. Naubos na ang oras. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Kicks it out to that three-pointer. Mintes, Guanzon takes control of the rebound. Mabilis ang pasa. Cruz will make it work.
Good teamwork right there para dito sa Palawan. Touch passing.
Tingnan natin kung anong gagawing sagot. Spins. Muntik pang makuha sa kanya. Heavily contested dito ang Quezon. So far, super effective. Joshua Guanzon on the painted area.
Pero matatawagan ng foul on that rebounding battle. Itong si Saga.
And they are at a penalty situation. Pero nakikita natin dito, malinis pa rin. Para sa panig ng Quezon, they don't want to foul. Kaso, 24 seconds ang lang natitira sa ating second quarter. So yun, dahan-dahan nilang ginagamit ang free throw para makalapit dito sa Palawan. 1 out of 2. Defensive rebound dyan ng Palawan by Cruz. Cruz asking for the ball. No dribble needed para kay Cruz.
I thought they were going for the last shot pero nakakita ng maagang pagkakataon doon.
Take the shot daw. And
A
yun
lot
na
of
nga.
contact.
Kaso, Coach Melo, he was holding on to the back of his head. That was a bad fall, but I hope he is fine and he's trying to get up now. He will be assisted by our medical team.
That was a strong drive and a strong contest as well. Nothing outside of the ordinary. It's just that yung collision nila mid-air caused him to fall.
So ito pala si Flores at the line. Siya yung unang gumawa ng mga puntos para dito sa panig ng Quezon in the first quarter. He's been quiet since and ngayon, mintis ang kanyang unang free throw. Shooting his second. Jester Flores. Napabuti. Pumasok nga ang second free throw. 1 out of 2 at the line with 3 seconds remaining in second quarter. Pupukol pa ng 3 pero malakas ang tira. And there you have it, 55-41. Lamang pa rin dito ang Palawan UH Builders.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag kang matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga
Junior and PBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Junior and PBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Before we enter the second half of this ball game, 55-41 nga ang ating score. And let's take a look at our team stats during the first half. Coach Melo, what do we have?
Oh, Palawan shooting a lot better from the field, 25 out of 46 compared to the 14 out of 13. Itong Quezon, and team play is in full display dito sa Palawan with their 17 assists. At yung kanilang depensa, no, talagang pinaigting palalo, forcing 11 steals against Quezon.
At yun na nga nagbunga. Ang efforts itong Palawan, they were down early in the first quarter, pero yun na nga nakahabol sila despite being this is their first game, and 14 points na ang kanilang naitala. They are starting to pull away, 55-41. And tingnan natin kung ano ang adjustment entering the second half para dito sa Quezon, and kung ano naman ang magiging consistency na ipapakita itong Palawan. So far, so good for both teams. Pero yun nga, Palawan takes the lead by 14. And pabalik na sila sa action. And as we can see here, the black shirts, itong Quezon 16 and under. At yun na nga. Kanina maganda na yung dominance na pinapakita nitong 16 and under ng Quezon. Kaso, nakakuha ng buwelo with the help of the big men of Palawan.
The entry of Torres was a huge difference maker. Pero one thing that Quezon needs to address is yung kanilang turnovers. They already have 15 in the game and that resulted to 16 turnover points para sa Palawan. At yun na nga, ang kalabangan. Doon na buo.
Especially nung nakuha ng Palawan yung kanilang momentum. Itong si Teves became a familiar name in the second quarter. And now in the third quarter, bola ng Palawan. A lot of ball movement. Very confident entering the third quarter. Pero medyo alanganin doon yung 3-point attempt nito ni Del Monte. Now, Quezon naman ang atake from that side of the court. Left corner 3. Air ball. Pasa pala yun ang makuha nito ni number 91, Marcos de la Paz. Del Monte.
Quezon ngayon, may pressure naman.
Probably this is what they need to show more dahil nga kanina nakuha nila yung overwhelming yung opensa at depensang pinakita. Speaking of depensa, kuha na naman yan ng Quezon. Kicks it out. Left corner. Looking for that opening. Fakes that 3. Del Monte quick on that steal pero babalik sa Quezon ng bola. Cross pass. Thought about the 3. Pumeke. Bounces off the glass. Sa kanila pa rin ang bola. This time, papasok na yan. Jester Flores na naman.
Second serving is good para dito kay Flores. Tiyunti na ibababa ng Quezon. 10 na lang. Kanilang inahabol.
Slowly. Inching a bit closer. Itong Palawan. Oh, Del Monte's layup was just a bit too strong.
Palawan naman ngayon, na struggling to make a basket.
Pero for now, let's give this to CJ Ang for some courtside report.
Thank you, John. Coach CJ Topacio said that gelling won't be a problem with this team as this is the core players of Perpetual Las Piñas. Coach does not have any specific players to mention in terms of who's stepping up because Coach believes that all his players will do just that. It's just a matter of the game situation on who's showing the best performance. That's who's going to play more. Trying to get back to you, gentlemen.
Thank you so much, CJ. And as we were listening to CJ's courtside report, nakapukol ng dos nun ng tres, si Clarito. Much needed point. And as we see here, 7 points na lang ang kailangan nilang habulin. Mintis nga lang doon sa jumper na yon. Second attempt is good for Flores.
Eto na, ang Quezon inching closer, forcing Palawan to call this time out.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Napatawag nga doon ng timeout ang Palawan after that onslaught of Quezon. As we take a look at this once again, Mintis ang tira dyan, but Flores is there to save the day. Getting that bucket. Much needed points for Palawan, and Clarito earlier was able to knock down the 3. Ngayon, they're only down by 5. Ganun kabilis na habol, Coach Melo, nitong Quezon Junior Huskers ang puntos ng kalamangan ng Palawan Urich Builders.
Momentum shifting to the side of Quezon. Tingnan natin ngayon if they're gonna be able to sustain this.
Kanina, entering the third quarter, kita ko yung confidence sa mukha ng mga white shirts. Talagang sobrang ine-enjoy nila. Yun nga lang, napalitan niya ng gulat nang umatake ang Quezon. Speaking of atake, medyo kapos ang atake nila on that last play. Villaruel protecting the ball. Tawagan nga lang ng foul. But he was not able to make a strong finish there, pero nasa free throw line naman siya to shoot for 2.
Well, you gotta stop the bleeding if you're Palawan, and certainly itong free throw attempts na to could help, although he misses the first.
Shooting his second free throw. Sam Villaruel. Masyado namang malakas this time. Offensive rebound kanila pa rin. Wala pa rin ang second chance. Third chance tayo. Shot clock at 12. Nakahanap ng butas si Cruz.
Good find. Ace Cruz positioning himself well in the middle.
Di pa tapos ang aksyon dito sa ating 16 and under division game number 5. 3.5 minutes has gone by in the third quarter. Ang atulit sa 7 ang kalamangan ng Palawan. Susubok pumuntos dyan ang Quezon. Atake. Follow up is in. Followed up by Cedric Aguila. Bola na naman ng mga nakaputi. Angat sila ng 5. Trying to set up a play. Penetrating the defense. Finding some cracks. Napalakas nga lang yung pasa ni Cruz and nobody's there to catch it.
That pass was a bit late. Maganda na yung unang backdoor cut but once you take a second look, naka-recover na yung depensa.
As we can see here, mabilis nababalik sa panig ng Palawan ng bola after that turnover. We've been talking about the turnover since game number 1 of this Sunday. Yun nga yung nakikita natin. Although in this ball game, yun ang hindi pa rin maiwasan itong panig ng Quezon. Therefore, nakakuha ng malaking kalamangan ng Palawan. But right now, 5 na lang ang meron sila. Make it 7, sabi ni Del Monte.
Good pass once again para dito sa panig ng Palawan. Slowly getting back their groove after a run nga na nagawa nitong Quezon.
Crossing the defense. Left corner 3. Bang! Makes it rain itong si Earl Clarito.
Big 3-pointer para kay Clarito. Just when you thought Palawan was getting control of the game, sagutan naman ang nangyayari.
Well, Cruz nakakuha pa ng puntos. Mabilis na sagot. Well, 6 dito ang kalamangan ng Palawan. Makakuha ng Quezon ng bola pabalik sa kanilang panig. 2 or 3 possession ball game. 6 lang ang kalamangan dito na hinahabol ng Quezon. Sila naman ang atake. Contested, active hands. Nakuha nga ng Palawan ng bola. Pero traveling violation. Too many steps taken dito si Villaruel.
Naging football yung laro doon.
Naging football.
Muntik ma-touchdown eh.
Muntik pumunta dun sa sa baseline, sabay ipalo sa sahig eh. Pero yun na nga. Bola muli ng Quezon. Active hands. Oh! Not just active hands. Long reach din ni Villaruel. Bola ng Palawan looking to score. Kukunin yan ng Quezon. On the rush. Fast break layup finish. Tyler Villanueva.
Tyler Villanueva finishing that layup. Defense to early offense para dito sa panig ng Quezon. 4 na lang ang inahabol.
What an amazing ball game we were witnessing this Sunday afternoon. Sa pagitan ng Quezon and Palawan, natapik ang bola. Last touch, White.
Humihingi pa ng foul itong si Cruz on that last play. Trying to go for that flex cut underneath.
Bola muli ng Quezon. 4:05 in our third quarter. Nakababa na lahat. Almost loses that ball. Dino Osirin takes care of it. Osirin, a familiar name from the last season. Pero mismatch against sa Villaruel. Oh, what a pass from that corner. Shot too strong.
Good loop pass on that shake action. Just couldn't make it. Muntik na naman ma-travel.
Oo. May future sa football itong si Villaruel pagka lumapad pa to, no? Pero one of the biggest guys, I think he's the tallest. Or, hindi, nandito na si Guanzon. So, dalawa na sila.
Iyon, nalibre sa ilalim. Able to finish that shot.
Fallis.
Cameron Fallis.
Immediately. Ooh. Not letting them cross that half court.
Errant pass caught there by Palawan.
As we can see here, virtually a lot of taller players from the side of the white shirts of Palawan. Pero hindi naman papahuli pagdating sa bilis and athleticism itong Quezon. But right now, Palawan sits at a 6-point lead. Falis takes a 3. Labas ulit. Villaruel. Jumper, one-handed.
Patient play para dito sa panig ng Palawan. Attack the paint. Dish it off to the big guy. At ganda naman ang tapos doon.
Now, Quezon naman, knowing that they're down by 8 points. Clarito pulls up. Same spot. Ibang sitwasyon na at ibang resulta ang nakuha nito ni Clarito. Attempting, I think, a couple of threes from that side. Sa left corner na yon, hindi na pumapasok. Kumbaga na, heat check na siya kanina. Ngayon, nagmintis na naman siya. Although probably he was pumped up and was given an instruction. Knowing that Coach Mark actually is a sniper.
Ngayon, speaking of sniper, may nakakita ang ating referees.
Matalas naman yung mata. Si ref naman yung sniper ngayon. And I think there will be a review.
There was a bump underneath. Ito. Look at number 99. Itong si Dean Osirin.
Immediately, itong si one of our referees asked for that replay. Na-clarify nga ng ating game officials. So let's hear it from Gio Cruz. Kung ano ang official call. 2:27 in our third quarter, 65-57. Lamang pa rin ng 8 dito ang Palawan. So si Sam Villaruel ang tinawagan niya dun sa ilalim. Siya ang tinawagan ng foul. And magkakaroon ng extra review dito ang ating game officials.
They're gonna check if it would warrant an unsportsmanlike foul, most probably.
Could be upgraded to an unsportsmanlike foul. Let's see it once again. From this angle, hindi ko siya makikita, but the one that we're seeing here was Guanzon. Number 1, Villaruel was on the other side, closer to the baseline, as we can see here from the inbound play. But if the bump that they were talking about was, I think that was Guanzon. I'm not sure.
Interesting to find out what's going to be the final verdict of our officials.
Regular foul lang ang makitawag, pero against Villaruel. Second personal foul in the third quarter, not bad. There will be a clarification. Ito may sinisigaw dito si Coach CJ.
He's claiming that Villaruel is not involved in the play.
Actually, isa pang bagay dito, Coach Melo, is they can see it on our big screen. Kaya makikita nila, magkakaroon sila ng sariling judgment dahil yung replay, nakikita nga dito sa ating LED.
But of course, whatever is the decision of the officials, yun ang final.
And I believe, baka magkaroon pa ng warning dito. Yun nga ang ating pinag-uusapan kanina, Coach Melo. Kaya napangiti si Villaruel, pero hindi siya nagko-contest violently, hindi siya nakikipag-argue. Pero nakita natin based on the replay, si Guanzon yung may konting bump.
Same size and built kasi.
Oo, yun yung sinasabi natin kanina.
Nakakalito rin
Oo. If you're not gonna look at the numbers, magbabase ka lang sa physique and height, malilito ka pareho pang naka-semi-calvo. Pero nga, we have to have accurate calls.
And good thing we have the IRS system to assist us.
Exactly. Hirap pag wala Kung ano yung call, yun na yun. Pero yun na nga, Balik action dito. 65-57 pa rin ang ating score. 2:15 remaining. Villaruel inbounds. Gives it to Romantico. Double bill, Romantico, Fallis, naghanap ng mapapasahan sa loob. Decides for the bill to that corner. Mintes.
Second serving para dito sa Palawan.
Offensive rebound, unselfish play, Villaruel, inilapag na lang.
Great pass.
Tingnan natin kung technical nga ba ang ibinisel doon.
Yun ang masakit. After making a basket, matatawagan pa ng technical foul itong si Villaruel. But let's take a look at this first. What a drive from Romantico. Another sweet assist.
Yun sticking the tongue out and taunting under that category.
Oo.
Siyempre may halong gigil Kumbaga ang ganda ng play. Gathering the defenders of the Quezon Junior Huskers to Villaruel and heavily contested. Hindi naman yun easy basket. Nakapukol lang siya.
Ngayon, ang isang malaking development dito is that the two big men nitong Palawan, talking about Villaruel and Guanzon, will have to be in the bench because of foul situation.
And right now, itong si Cardio Campo and other player, si Kevin Castro rather, ang big men. And also, Fallis is also still on the floor. So let's see kung magkakaroon ba ng epekto yung pagkawala ng Twin Towers. Steps back for three. Too strong. Castro, defensive rebound. Outlet pass to Fallis. No dribble needed to get the finish.
Yan naman yung resulta with a smaller lineup on the floor. They're able to run quicker as a team. Talking about Palawan.
Stepping on the sideline. Missed opportunity again for Quezon. Balik sa Palawan ang bola. Palawan slowly pulling away once again. 12-point lead, 69-57. 1:20 remaining. Third quarter na nga tayo. 1 minuto, 20 segundos ang natitira. Fallis will inbound. Romantico sets things up. Castro to the Bill. Now De Ocampo. Atake, kicks it out. Fallis for three. Bang!
Fallis able to knock down a three-pointer. Masakit yun dahil unti-unti na nga dumidikit itong Quezon.
Ngayon, 15 na naman ang kailangan ng habulin. 72-57. 45 seconds remaining, but 5 seconds on the shot clock. Quezon pulls up on that left corner. Wala pa din. That was Bustonera. That could have been his first 3 points. Bola naman nakaputi. Right wing 3, too strong. Defensive rebound yan ni De Los Reyes.
That would have been big.
A lot of ball movement para sa Quezon. Plenty of time on their shot clock.
Traveling ang maitatawag.
At yun na nga. Balik na naman sa Palawan ng bola, and this is not how Quezon want to end the third quarter. Especially nailapit na nila kanina, and they were close to taking back the lead kung nagtuloy-tuloy lang yung kanilang run. Kaso napigilan niya ng Palawan.
Oh!
Nakaw play para dito kay Marcos de la Paz.
But a quick foul has been called there.
Pero may tapik naman kagad at acknowledging na nagkagit-gitan sila doon.
Hindi naman daw sinasadya.
Oo. Minsan kailangan mo na talaga mag-stop and pause. Kasi pag nakahinga-hinga ka na, marirealize mo nga, hindi naman sadya.
Oo.
Fallis inbounds once again. Oh! Siya na naman, but this time he has to drop it off. Kuha niya ulit, reverse layup, it won't work. Third attempt, wala pa din, and that will be it for the third quarter, 72-59. Lamang pa rin dito ang Palawan.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na
72-59. From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. And just like that, 13 na naman ang kalamangan dito ng Palawan New Rich Builders kontra dito sa mga black shirts. Itong Quezon Junior Huskers in the 16 and under division. 72-59 tayo, Coach.
Well, a full quarter ahead of us. This is not yet a safe lead para dito sa panig ng Palawan. But if Quezon wants to get ahead, kailangan talaga ma-manage yung kanilang mga turnovers because that has been costing them a lot.
What a way to start the fourth and final quarter. Aguila knocks down a three. Aguila, I believe, a couple of threes or more on his name. Pero tinan mo naman. Second chance, wala pa din.
Gallant stand right there para dito sa Quezon in making that stop.
Bola ng Quezon. Pero mawawala sa kanila ang ball possession and naibaba na nga sana nila sa 10 ang kalamangan. However, yung turnover na sinasabi mo, Coach, andyan pa din talaga, hindi maiiwasan.
Tumama sa one hood.
Isa lang kasi. Okay, crossing the defense. Ito nga Palawan. Oh, quick hands, but quicker recovery. Para kay Saga. Steps back for three. Mintes, but the follow-up is good.
Yun.
Tinapik lang, Coach.
Height is might para dito kay, what's that? Castro, I thought it was Villaruel. Meron pa palang isang mas athletic pa doon.
Tatlong tore ang Coach. Del Monte tumingin pa.
There was a push. Mula dito sa Quezon, not the sequence that they want. Strong start para dito sa Palawan here in the fourth. Take a look at this. Already ahead of everybody. May konting tulak pa. Hindi na yun kinailangan dun sa play na yun.
Oo, lusot na yun. But that will be our pound-around fitness foul count and play. Del Monte sumilip pa nga sa kaliwang side mirror bago tumira. And as we can see here, Coach, the lineup of the white shirts, tatlo, identical, halos ang height. Villaruel, Teves, and itong Sia Castro.
And look at Villaruel being on top of that press. Kung ikaw naman yung point guard, mahihirapan ka talaga pumasa.
Ang laki niyan eh.
And there it is. Turnover forced by Palawan. Similar to what Kevin Kemba was doing when he was playing for La Salle. Diba? Minsan siya yung nasa ibabaw ng press. Or si Mike Phillips. Imagine kung
Big
ikaw
men.
yung, diba? Kung ikaw yung point guard, mahirapan ka talaga magbigay ng long pass.
Di bababa na 6'5 yung bumabantay sa'yo. Pero dito, tingnan natin kung ano nga ba. May papakita pa ng Palawan despite having the 15-point lead. 77-62. Castro. Bigayan kay Del Monte. Post up for three. Mintes. Bola ng Quezon. Sila naman ang nagmamadali. Try to cross the defense pero natapik ang bola. Very active Villaruel on that left corner. Gets it in!
Making the defense pay. Itong Quezon, they were gambling and trying to get that ball. Kaya naman naipasa yun doon sa corner. That was not contested at all.
That was Casey De Los Reyes knocking down that three. But this time, Teves, big man, nagbadala ng bola. One-handed finish. How about that?
Napapalakpak na lang itong si Teves. Alam niya na maganda yung naging galaw niya.
Kagat labi sa gigil. Look at that, double teamed, almost loses that ball.
Second time around here in this game na si Tevez, hindi niya na-control yung pag-recover doon sa kanilang rotation on defense. Hindi na ituloy yung palakpak.
79-65. 14 pa din ang hinahabol dito ng Quezon. Bola naman ng mga nakaitim. 7.5 minutes remaining in our fourth and final quarter. De Los Reyes challenging the defense. As for Flores' screen. Atake, kick out. Left corner ulit. Sa likod naman. Kaso walang bilang yun pag sa likod
Same
naman.
play, same shot, just different result para dito sa Quezon.
Del Monte inbounds. Great ball handling by number 44. To si Saga. Palawan up by 14.
Zoom action.
Tevez pumwesto sa 3. Medyo malakas. Follow up, wala pa rin. Third chance, Saga secures. Kasi medyo masikip. Takbo dito si Flores. Mintis na tira, but the follow-up is good. Flores there to save the day.
Textbook fast break para dito sa Quezon. Flores just doing his job.
Saga sizing up. Out of bounds in that last play, pero tingnan natin itong replay nito ulit.
This was the last attack mula dito sa Quezon. And Flores being there to finish the job para dito sa Quezon. Malaki-laki pa. Hinahabol nila dito.
79-67, 12 pa to, coach. Masyadong malalim. Traveling violation against the big man. Si Castro.
Another turnover forced by Quezon. These are the stops that they need. The question is, will they be able to convert?
Now down by 12 points itong Quezon. Almost loses that ball. Ball remains with the side of Quezon. 6:08 remaining.
Very dangerous angle to work with, no? Yung pasa na yun.
Naghahabol pa rin dito ng 12 puntos ang Quezon. Mahaba-haba pang oras at sa 6 na minuto. Force 3-pointer.
Not the
A bit
best
short.
shot para sa kanila.
Try lang daw si Aguila doon pero hindi yan papasok. Now Saga kontra dito kay Reyes. Or De Los Reyes. Villaruel. Kontra De La Paz. How about that? Villaruel trying to cross.
Aggressive defense. Gotta love the energy for Quezon.
Hindi napansin ng Quezon na mauubos sa sana yung shot clock. They could have just let itong white shirts to hold on to the ball. Mapuputuan sila ng 24, yun nga lang. Two seconds na lang.
Bailout foul.
Sabit.
Wala nang pupuntahan doon, De La Paz.
Villaruel, nakapagpasabit pa on that last play. 2 free throws for him. Pasok ang una. Sam Villaruel, medyo babad na rin dito sa ball game nito. For every quarter, he was present.
Gets the lucky bounce itong si Villaruel.
2 for 2.
Tuloy yung kanilang defensive scheme and putting a big guy in front. What a luxury to have na meron kang ganyang big man na kayang sumabay sa mga gwardiya sa bilis.
Oo. Pero yun na nga, nakahanap ng butas. Hindi yan papasok this time. Quezon pa rin na may dala ng bola. Flores won't make it work this time. Villaruel secures the board.
And Villaruel just working doubly hard here in this game.
81-67 ang ating score. 14 points ang kalamangan dito ng Palawan. Villaruel, De La Paz. 8 seconds on their shot clock. Oh, anticipated pass. Looking for the fast break finish. Contested but not a problem para dito kay we'll say it again. 17. Paikana.
Oh, Paikana. Back in the game once again para dito sa Quezon.
Hustling for that ball possession kaso mapupunta sa Palawan.
Could not control that basketball was De La Paz.
81-69 pa rin ang ating score. Or 81-69 na ang ating score. 12 ang kalamangan dito. Double digit pa rin. Trying to shake off the defense of Quezon. It's number 14, Pelaez. Spins. Left-handed finish para kay number 5, Peña Randa. Quezon na atake muli. No dribble needed and gets the finish this time. De La Paz.
That time around, better ball movement para sa Quezon pero mabilis na sasagot. Ganun-ganun lang, itong Palawan. Able to push the ball.
So si Torres back in action. Katulong nito ni Villaruel and Teves. A lot of big men for Palawan. What a luxury to have. Sabi mo nga, Coach Melo, kanina na yung rotation nila medyo maluwag. So na nga, Villaruel at the line. Gets his first. Under 4 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. Less than a couple minutes. Final 2-minute mark and Villaruel 2 for 2 again at the line. Doesn't miss in the last couple of free throws. Paikana gets it in. 3-point this time.
Providing a much needed energy. Itong si Pakana. 5 points here in the quarter for the small guy.
11 ang kalamangan. Palawan pa rin ang may dala ng bola. Magaw yan ang Quezon.
Good anticipation for Pakana.
Paigana to Villanueva. Villanueva finds a crack at the defense. Lalampas lang yan.
Sayang yung tira na yun.
Pero gandang pasok sana nun ng that painted area.
Oo.
Pero Villaruel, look at that. Nagbababa ng bola. Ooh, what a finish. Kinapitan na. Nakatapos pa, Pelaez.
Pelaez has played a great first half para dito sa Palawan. Now, tinutuloy yung kanyang magandang panimula.
Try to get flashy on that layup. Pero yung follow-up, papasok yan. Para dito kay De La Paz.
That was De La Paz.
Offensive foul.
It's gonna be called on Aaron Torres.
I believe that will be Torres. So we call that foul. Yan mga coach, yung pag-replace, pasang naman dito si Guanzon. Hindi talaga nawawala ng big man on the floor. Laging tatlo.
They have that ceiling at ngayon tatawag ng timeout itong Quezon to draw something up.
Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan.
11 ang kalamangan hinahabol dito ng Quezon. 87-76. Cross pass. Thought about that three in that corner. Mintes. $87-76 nga ulit ang ating score, and we are nearing the final 2-minute mark of this ball game. Nagmamadali na dito ang Quezon. Sa kanila pa rin ang bola with 13 on their shot clock. Mag-i-inbound dito si Villanueva. Cross. De La Paz. Pulls up for three. In and out lang.
Oo, sayang yun para dito sa Quezon.
The last 2 minutes of this basketball action. Villaruel trying to cross. Steps back. Ooh, layup too strong. Attacking the rim won't work. Dadaanin sa bilis. Villanueva. Only touching the net.
Couldn't buy a basket is Quezon.
Magkakaroon nga ng reviews ang ating game official. Tingnan natin itong replay na ito. On that last possession, dahil nga nagkaroon ng out of bounds. If it didn't touch the black shirt, magiging last touch ito. Can't see the number. That will be Peñaranda. At yun na nga, bola ng mga nakaitim. Quezon Junior Huskers kukuha ng ball possession. $87-76 pa rin tayo. 11-point lead ang Palawan with 1:34 remaining. Quezon naghahabol ng 11. Now 8 seconds on their shot clock. Post up for three. A bit short, Jesse Flores. Fast break finish. Gets it in para dito. Kaya number 16, Gardose.
So mathematically possible para dito sa Quezon, pero pahirap na lang pahirap with a minute and 17 remaining.
Hindi na pumapasok ang left corner 3 para dito sa panig ng Quezon, and right now, rejected on that attempt. That was coming from Shaheen. Pero yun na nga, lamang pa rin ng 13. Lumamang na ng 13. With a minute and 2 seconds remaining. De La Paz inbounds. Shaheen. Nakahanap ng butas. Masyado lang malakas ang tira. Kicks it out. 3 ang susubukan. Wala pa rin. Third attempt is good with a bonus by Flores.
Nakakuha sa tsaga nitong si Flores. Was entering that shaded area and battled for that offensive rebound. Tingnan natin to. Missing on the 3. But he was there. At naipasok nga niya yung tira na yun. May bonus free throw pang kasama.
That was our pound-for-pound fitness foul counted play. At the line, Flores looking to complete the three-point play. Napalakas. Offensive rebound. Heavily contested by the white shirts. For fast break. Lifting. Dribbling violation. Well, lucky break for Quezon. Balik sa kanila ang bola with 11 points, 11-point deficit.
Napasobra yung bilis doon. But again, Palawan has been efficient.
Couple of players down on the floor, pero all good. 89-78, 11 pa din with 35 seconds remaining. Free throw nga dito si Paikana. First free throw is good. 10 points. Susubukang ibaba ni Paikana sa single digit ang kalamangan and possibly 3 inch a bit closer. Let's see. Nilabas lang. Follow up. Wala pa din.
Wala pa rin no? Ganun talaga yung nangyari buong game dito sa Quezon. A lot of good looks. di nila maipasok. But eto, maka-foul muli.
This time, ito naman si Earl Clarito. Sumubok siyang pumukol ng tres. Dahil kanina nakakuha nga siya ng ilang tres doon. I think the second or the third quarter. At ayun na nga, bad closeout. Led to a 3 free throw attempts para dito kay Clarito. 10 pa rin ang hinahabol nila. Make it 9. Baba sa isang digit ang kalamangan ng Palawan. May dalawa pa siya. Two free throws in so far for Clarito. We're probably ending this ball game with a very close score. At yun na nga, 3 for 3.
Might have been a little late, no? Yung run para dito sa Quezon. But who knows? We've seen stranger things happen.
Let's see, pero napatawag nga muna dito ng timeout ang Palawan. We will be back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
89-82. 7 na lang ang hinahabol dito ng Quezon. Bola ng Palawan. May 7 puntos pa silang iniingatan dito with 27 seconds on the shot clock. Oh, Gardose takes care of it. In and out. Makukuha yan ng Quezon. Sila naman ang tatakbo for the fast break. Pakana. Almost attempting the 3-point play pero napaul nga siya on that last sequence.
Pero itong si Pakana has made a huge impact, no, dito sa ating ball game, especially for Quezon. Maganda yung naging pasok sa kanya dito. It's just that yung kanyang effort mukhang kakapusin.
Pero tingnan natin. 2 for 2 at the line. Ditong si Pakana. Bola ng Palawan with 10 seconds remaining. Lamang sila ng 5. Nagmamadali pa rin pero nauubos na ang oras. At may foul pa nga on that last play. 1.7 seconds remaining.
Gonna be the 5th foul nitong si De La Paz. He will be exiting the game with 8.6 rebounds in 2 minutes in 28 minutes of action.
Well, quality minutes para sa kanya. Kaso nga lang, mabibitin sila ng konti. At kita natin dito, nagmintis ang unang free throw. Itong si Mendoza. Well, lamang pa rin naman sila ng 5 puntos itong Palawan with 1.7 seconds remaining. Pasok. 1 out of 2. Tatawag dyan ng timeout ang Quezon Junior Huskers.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang magbabago pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan.
1.7 seconds remaining in our ball game. Ito sa game number 5, 16 and under. Quezon kontra Palawan. Bola ng Quezon. They only have 1.7 seconds. Ibinalik pa. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That will be it for this ball game. 90-84. Panalo dito ang Palawan New Rich Builders in the 16 and under division in their first game in Season 4. What a game. Nailayo nila ang kalamangan in the second and third quarter up to the fourth. Nailapit ng Quezon, ngunit kinapos ng bahagya. Palawan bringing home the victory. Game number 1 nila in Season 4.
And itong ang Palawan relying on a strong first half performance. After that, they never looked back. Staying in control of this game up until the very end. A lot of effort from their bigs. Who even was tasked to defend from the backcourt. So that unorthodox type of defense working para dito sa panig ng Palawan.
And in a short while, sa ganda nga ng laban, we will be awarding our Don Benitez Defensive Player of the Game from Quezon Junior Huskers. Jester Flores with 12 rebounds, double-digit performance. And also, we will be awarding our Milo Assist Champ of the Game. And this is our Milo Assist Champ of the Game coming from Palawan New Rich Builders, Francis Romantico with 6 assists. And of course, syempre, makikilala na natin ang ating Chef's Magic Best Player of the Game. Ibigay na natin to kay CJ Ang para ipakilala sa atin ang ating Player of the Game.
Congratulations to our Chef's Magic Player of the Game, Ace Cruz. Ace, how important is it for you to be named the best player of the game?
Para sa akin po is bonus po to. Sa akin kasi po, pinaghirapan po ng team to. Pinanalo po namin ng mag-asama. Ayun po. Pinaghirapan po namin sa ensayo to. Ayun.
Ace, meron ka bang gustong batiin at pasalamatan?
May gusto, babatiin ko po yung Suat Reapers, yung Titan, tapos yung Smile. Tapos salamat po sa sponsor namin, kay Tito Job, kay Boss Red, sa coaches namin, kay Coach. Shoutout po sa magulang ko, to sa mga family ko po sa Pangasinan. Ayun lang po.
Thank you and congratulations once again, Ace. Turning it back to you, gentlemen.
Congratulations once again to Palawan New Rich Builders in the 16 and 18 under division. Pero huwag kayong lalayo, babalik tayo for game number 6.
Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ng mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to.